Hey guys, it's Joe from American Trucks, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Rough Country Hard Trifold Tonneau bed cover, fitting all 09 to 18 Ram 1500s with either the 5.7 or 6.4 beds without the Ram box. Now, this tonneau cover is going to be a great option for any Ram owner out there looking for an extremely cost-effective hard fold tonneau cover that's going to add a little bit more security to the bed of your truck. So what do we have going on here with the Rough Country bed cover? Well, this is made out of lightweight yet durable 6061 aluminum. You got that black textured finish on there, and all in all, this only sits about an inch above the bed, so you get to maintain that low profile look. Now, one thing we harp on at American Trucks a lot is security. You're buying a tonneau cover, it's probably one of the first modifications you're gonna buy for your truck, and one thing you wanna consider is what you're gonna be using the bed of your truck for, right? If you plan on having anything of value in the bed of your truck frequently, a hard tonneau cover like this one is going to be a must-have. Now, these things get expensive fast, but not this one. We're gonna touch on that in just a second here. But the main idea is if you spend the least amount of money possible, you get a regular old vinyl tonneau cover. All that separates someone from getting into the bed of your truck and what's in there is just gonna be the regular old pocket knife. You cut it open, you're in. Not with this one. That aluminum, it's gonna provide you a little bit more coverage. I'm not gonna say it's impossible to get through, but you're at least gonna have to bring the tools with you if you wanna get through something like this, and you probably wouldn't do it in broad daylight. If you plan on carrying anything of value in the bed, this is gonna be a lot harder to get into. Once this tailgate is shut and locked, there's no way to get this thing off, so this is gonna give you a little bit more security than that regular old vinyl tonneau cover. Now, on top of that, you do get all the regular benefits of a tonneau cover as well. This thing rolls up and down really quickly, really easily, I might add. You can get this thing going with some real speed, and of course, this is gonna keep everything you have in the bed nice and dry. We have all weather seals around each corner of this tonneau cover. On top of that, this one also includes a light with some batteries already in there right under this last panel here. So if you're working in the bed of your truck in the dark, that's a nice little feature to add some convenience to this tonneau cover. Now, one thing I did want to note here is with this design, that last panel is locked in place. So if you have something that's tall in the bed of your truck, you won't be able to use that area up there without completely removing this. But if you do have to do that, it does pop right off. You fold it down, throw it in the bed of your truck with whatever you have in there, and you'd be all set. So as far as pricing goes, and I touched on this a little bit earlier, this is going to be extremely cost effective for what it is. Regular old vinyl tonneau cover costs you $200-300. This is gonna land you right around $600, and that is a bargain compared to other hard trifold tonneau covers out there. Usually land about $900, so you're saving a couple $100 with this Rough Country option, and it does the job perfectly fine. You'll see us install this in just a second here, and it even comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Before we move on to the install here, again, just another quick note. This is only gonna work with the 5.7 or 6.4 beds without the Ram box. If you do have a Ram box, those tonneau covers are out there, but this one is not gonna work for you. And if you're shopping 5.7 or 6.4, we carry both of them. Just make sure you pick the right option in the drop-down box at the top of our website. Now, with that being said, the install here is gonna be really, really easy. All in all, we're looking at a 1 out of 3 wrenches. At most, this should take you an hour. I think you can get it done in closer to 30 minutes. So without any further ado, let me show you how it's done. So the first step to our install here, as you can see, we already took care of it off camera, and that's to get your tonneau cover up and onto the bed. A couple of things to note about that. You wanna make sure this hinge portion here is toward the rear. Up at the front, you should have some buckles as well. Now, once you have this situated, we can crawl underneath and lock this onto the bed of our truck. So now we're underneath of our tonneau. First thing we're gonna do is grab this handle here. Now this is gonna fall completely away from the tonneau cover. What we're gonna end up doing here is this is gonna sit in these channels like so, and then you're gonna use the leverage to sort of lock this into the bed rail right like that. But first, we need to dial in our adjustment, so I'm just gonna put that in a mock spot here. And just gonna spin this around a little bit to tighten it up. So just going for a test run here. So you can see that this is the lock position right here. We still need a little bit more upward travel. So what I'm gonna do,
bring that up a little more. I think we'll be good right there. So now what we're gonna do is just take this T-shaped portion right at the top. I'm gonna put that in and slide it back into its channel. Right like that. That's gonna lock it in place. Give it a little bit too much up. Then we can come over here to the lip of our bed, and then we're just gonna use this lever to lock it in place. Now we're just gonna come over to the other side, take our handle down, and I'm just gonna get it started first this time. And then I'm gonna open it up. And just dial in that adjustment. And just crank down on that lever to secure our tonneau cover to the bed rail.
So now this tonneau cover is pretty much completely installed, and how it sits right here is going to be what it looks like in the completely rolled up position. At this point, I'm just gonna unbuckle these two buckles at the top here, unroll this thing, and I'll show you how the back locks down, but it's gonna be really similar to how the front works. So underneath at the tailgate, you can see a similar situation here. We're just gonna pull out this handle like that. And this one actually doesn't have a lever, it just screws up and down. So what we're gonna do is put that in the closest position to our bed rail and lock that in place. And then we're just gonna spin that. And it's got that lock washer right in there. And that's gonna lock our tailgate in place. So now we're just gonna come over to the other side and do the same exact thing. We're gonna start by pulling down our lock here. Then we're gonna go to the second position just to match the other side. We're gonna get that lip seated underneath of our bed rail. And we're just gonna tighten this down to lock it in place. Now that's gonna pretty much do it for this one. All that's left for us right now is to shut the tailgate. But that's gonna do it for my review and install of the Rough Country Hard Tri-Fold Tonneau bed cover, fitting all 09 to 18 Ram 1500s with either the 5'7" or 6' 4" beds without the Ram box. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this one. Keep it right here at American Trucks for all things Ram.